Hello everyone. I am Andrew the Business Coach, and in part 8 of my course, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your AliExpress account for dropshipping. AliExpress is my preferred supplier at the start due to its extensive product range and competitive prices. Let's dive into the steps on how to establish a seamless AliExpress process. Begin by registering an AliExpress account and linking your Gmail account to streamline the registration process. Upon creating a new AliExpress account, you'll often encounter a welcome deal. Although tempting, I recommend making a small purchase to eliminate this deal, providing you with accurate pricing information. Take note of suppliers marked as choice suppliers. These ship with AliExpress packaging, potentially leading to customer dissatisfaction. It's crucial to avoid such suppliers for a smoother dropshipping experience. Now, let's explore the AliExpress account settings. Click on your account in the upper right corner where you'll find various sections, including account overview, orders, payments, refunds, returns, feedback, settings, shipping address, and the message center. You'll use the message center to communicate with suppliers if you have any inquiries. Don't forget to add your card in the payment section. Once your AliExpress account is set, proceed to Shopify to add the DSers dropshipping app. Click on Apps and search for DSers and then navigate to the Shopify App Store. Install the official DSers AliExpress dropshipping app and create an account. The free plan is sufficient. Link it to your AliExpress account and authorize it. Also install the Chrome extension to simplify product importing and order processing. Moving on to the app's features, you'll find a report page detailing your sales, a section to discover suppliers and winning products, and a unique option to locate local suppliers by choosing specific countries for shipping. Use the app for product research, but consider the official AliExpress website for more comprehensive research. Explore the supplier optimizer to find alternative suppliers for a product, and utilize the import list and my products sections for efficient product management. The open orders and archived orders pages help you process and keep track of your orders. Skip the tracking feature, as it's a paid option unnecessary for your dropshipping setup. In the settings, ensure you close the setup guide. Configure shipping settings, opting for AliExpress standard shipping as the preferred method. The settings below you can leave as they are. If we go to supplier management, we can see that our AliExpress account is linked. Going to the order section, we want to make sure that we leave a note that states that we are dropshipping so the supplier doesn't include any branding, invoices, or promotions. If we scroll down to phone number optimization, we need to add in our phone number to make sure that orders are processed. Also, in the canceled orders optimization, make sure this setting is turned on so that DSers can optimize the order if it's canceled. Now, by going up again and in the General Settings tab, we can go to Notification to make sure that everything is turned on to stay informed about changes in inventory, prices, SKUs, and orders. You can skip the paid package tracking feature as it is not needed. Click on Show More Settings to see your staff account if you want to add more accounts in the future. In the Currency section, you can change the currency. The Resource Management section shows how many stores and products you can have on your DSers account. App List shows all the apps that are connected to DSers, and in Synchronize to DSers you can view all of the synchronization that happens to DSers. You don't need to enable the order notes and order customization information. In the product settings, make sure that the product fulfillment service is DSers Fulfillment Service and leave the supplier ID unchecked. Next, go to Sales Channel Settings. If you have multiple stores, you can add them here. In the Pricing Rules section, make sure to leave all settings unchecked, as you want to change this in Shopify and not in DSers in case there are any price changes. Then we have Synchronize to Store, and here you want all settings to be set to do nothing. In the Product tab, you can leave all settings as they are. Just make sure that tax is disabled unless you are registered for tax. Now in the Fulfill Flow Manager, make sure to connect your PayPal account for smoother tracking. Now also set fulfillment to occur in bulk for efficiency. Lastly, review and customize email settings. Confirming your shipping carrier is set to custom. By following these steps, you'll have your AliExpress account and DSers dropshipping setup configured for success. Next, I'll guide you through the process of order fulfillment using DSers. We're currently on our Shopify dashboard, and I just completed a live purchase to demonstrate the order fulfillment process. Before we proceed, it's essential to address high-risk orders that may be flagged for fraud. Typically, such orders should be canceled, and I strongly advise canceling any suspicious orders you come across. If needed, simply click on Cancel to void the order. Now, let's take a closer look at the order page. It's crucial to emphasize that order fulfillment should not be executed directly in Shopify. Avoid clicking Request Fulfillment within Shopify. Instead, fulfill the order in DSers. To do this, navigate to Apps, select DSers, and click on Open Orders. Confirm that the correct shipping method, such as AliExpress standard shipping, is selected with its associated cost and estimated delivery time. Click Confirm to proceed. Next, click Order, followed by Order via API, and then click Confirm. This action places the order within DSers. Now, a critical step is to click Make Payment. Select the order and click Make Payment, which will redirect you to AliExpress. Here, click Pay Now, add your payment details, credit card or PayPal, and complete the payment process. Once the payment is made, the order transitions through different stages. It moves from processing to ship once the supplier ships the items. In DSers, the order status changes from awaiting shipment to fulfilled after a brief synchronization period. If your order consists of multiple items from different suppliers arriving separately, it will be listed under awaiting fulfillment until all items are fulfilled. Once everything is processed, it moves to fulfillment. In Shopify, when the order reaches the fulfillment stage, it marks the order as fulfilled, and the tracking number is sent to the customer. Note that until the order is shipped on AliExpress, it remains marked as unfulfilled in Shopify. Only after successful shipment is it labeled as completed, and Shopify dispatches the tracking number directly to the customer. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and accurate order fulfillment process using DSers in conjunction with Shopify.